Welcome. This is the recap for September 24th, Thursday, 2020 in Ms. Perdomo's Digital Academy classroom. I am so sorry that there was not a recap from yesterday. I guess it just slipped my mind in the many things that we were doing. So I will try and be more consistent though with making sure there's a recap available every day for students in case they should be out sick or if they need to know what we were working on for today. So let's take a look very quickly at our Digital Academy front page, our homeroom. Today we had a morning meeting this morning. We've been learning how to say hello in Spanish. So hola, thank you for joining us. We've also been talking just a little bit about making sure that we are checking our grades, that we're going on to Skyward, that if I'm sending you messages through your email saying you have missing assignments, to be proactive and make sure that we're turning those assignments in because it's going to reflect in your grades. We had STEM Lab this morning with Ms. Gatson for 1 hour. The students talked about galaxies. Hopefully they should be able to tell you what type of galaxy the Milky Way galaxy is. Hint, it'll be a question on one of their upcoming tests. During our reading time or our language arts time, we focused on conventions. We did a quick activity on IXL going over prepositions. And then the students wrote for 20 minutes for writing. At the end of our writing time, we were able to share some writing and share some best ideas, which is always the most exciting part of the day. Tomorrow, students will have to share with me their best writing from the week, and we will have students sharing their writing out loud with each other to kind of celebrate the authors of the week. There was lunch on your own, homeroom recess was on your own time, and then they had art with Mr. Castronova today. We had math at our regular time. We're not changing the math schedule. I know earlier in the week we had talked about gifted math starting at a different time. That ended up changing, so our schedule is going to remain the same. No new changes, nothing happening with math at all. In our ELA time, we went over Florida Ready. I've been doing modeling where I did modeling, we did modeling together, and then tomorrow they'll be doing some work on their own independently. We also had conferences today with half of the class. Half of the class read a folk tale from Native American legend about how grandmother spiders stole the sun. And we're practicing that together for fluency, but we're also talking about Native American culture and cultures within our own families. So that was half the class today. The other half of the class will be tomorrow. And then towards the end of the day, we finished our read aloud about Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and we went over the planner. So let me go over that planner very quickly with you. In our planner, we have that today we worked on Florida Ready, pages 42 to 45, with the we do section where I was modeling and we were doing it together. We're reading the How Grandmother Spider Stole the Sun, and that's something that half the class did today and half the class will do tomorrow. I've been suggesting throughout the week different things they can do for spelling. So today I suggest going on to games online where you can input your spelling or just play hangman with a family member or parent to go over some of those tricky spelling words. In my 5th grade math class, they're working on homework 87 to 88. And in my 6th grade math class, they're working on homework 67 through 70. It's a review of everything we've covered so far for their upcoming test. Today there was STEM Lab with Mrs. Gatson, and I've changed the working on our homework for social studies. There was a lot of technical problems in the Google document that I was using, so I'm going to change the homework into a Google slide. This will allow them to write more and also write into text boxes. So because I'm changing the homework, I've changed the due date. Instead of it being due on Monday, it'll be due on Friday of next week, October 2nd. So tonight I'll be sending that out as a new format for the students to be able to access. With all that being said, that's everything that's going on in Ms. Perdomo's classroom right now. It is open house this evening. Open house is going to be from 6 to 7:15. It is broken up into 2 sessions. From 6 to 6:30 are students with their last names from A to N. I think A to L, I apologize. And then the students with a last name from M to Z is going to be from 6:45 to 7:15. So it gives a 15-minute break for the teacher to prepare from one session to the next. We are going to do these sessions live. They're going to be a high flex. So either you can come into the classroom or you can join through a Zoom link, which I've put in the class website, in email, and I've also put on Class Dojo. So you'll be able to either decide if you're going to come into the room and actually see me in person or whether or not you just want to come to the Zoom meeting. It's not really intended for children. They're more than welcome to join. It's really for parents. It's an informational session. 15 minutes of it, I'll be providing information. 15 minutes of it, it's open for parents to ask questions. The advantage if you wanted to come into the classroom is if students worked on flush dioramas or games and they've been sent in, they've already been graded, so you could pick those up and take those home with you if you chose to come in. But by all means, you can pick that up at any time. Just let me know whenever you come by the school, and I can bring that up to the front office so that they can take that home. So those are all my announcements and everything that was happening today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you have a wonderful Thursday.